Namaste to all students. Vidya, myself JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the phasmids. This session is related to recombinant DNA technology of program BTech FBT 6th trimester and BSc BT 6th trimester. What do you understand by the lambda phase? It is a bacterial virus or bacteriophage that infects the bacterial species which is known as E. coli, Escherichia coli. This virus is a temperate phase, and temperate phase are basically bacteriophages which can choose between a lytic or lysogenic pathway of the development. In the lytic phase, it will be instant multiply and it will make a multiple copies in a very short time, but in the lysogenic pathway, first of all it will go into the rest phase and then it will convert from the lysogenic to the lytic phase and then it will multiply its genetic material and its copies. This is the structure of lambda phase, where head region containing the DNA, this is the collar region which is attached to the head, and collar will be the mediated in between the head region and the tail region, and this is the basal plate which will be connected by the tail fibers, and tail fibers have the terminal binding proteins which will be helpful in the adhesion at the bacterial cell wall. What is lytic and lysogenic phase? So lytic phase, in the lytic phase, the viral DNA exists as a separate molecule within the bacterial cell and replicates separately from the host bacterial DNA. But in the lysogenic cycle, viral DNA integrates with the bacterial DNA and then replicates with the host DNA. And then when it needs to be in lytic cycle, it will convert from the lysogenic to the lytic cycle and then it will separate from the host DNA and make its separate bodies or separate copies. How it penetrates? It binds to the target E. coli cell via J protein in the trail, as I mentioned in the previous slide, where we got the terminal protein bindings, which are J proteins, and tips that interact with the maltoporine of E. coli and then injects its linear genome. This is the flow diagram where we can see lambda phase. This is the head region. This is DNA, collar, tail, tail fibers, basal plate, and these are the J proteins which are attached to the E. coli surface. Basal plate will interact with the maltoprotein of the E. coli and then DNA material will transport from the lambda phase to the E. coli and it will be transported into the E. coli cell. Now come to the cycle definition and cycle process. We can see here two types of cycle. In the left side it is lytic cycle and in the right side it is lysogenic cycle. This is your bacterial cell which will have its own DNA and along with the phase DNA. But first of all, phase DNA will be transported into the host bacterial cell and then phases DNA circulates and enters into the lytic phase or lysogenic cycle. If it is going to the lytic cycle, so new phase DNA and proteins are synthesized and assembled into the virons, then cell lysis and releasing phase virons. Then these new virons will also attack on the new bacterial cells. But if that phase molecule is going to the lysogenic cycle, so phase DNA will integrate within the bacterial chromosome by recombination, becoming a prophase. Then it will go into the normal reproduce process, means it will create new bacterial cells and it will replicate by normal replication process. Many cell division will be occur and then when bacteriophage needs to be into the cell lytic cycle, it will separate from the bacterial DNA and then it will go to the lytic cycle. If it remains into the lysogenic cycle, so it will continue here like this and integrate and then again replication process and will make the many bacterial cells will having the bacteriophage DNA molecules. Lytic or lysogenic. Lytic life cycle occurs in the cell with sufficient nutrient, protease activity is high, which breaks down cell. In lysogenic life cycle, in cells with limited nutrients, protease activity is very low and making cell stable. It means in the lysogenic life cycle, there will be no harm for the bacterial cell. Bacterial cell will work normally, just it will create multiple copies of phase DNA which will be integrated into the bacterial host DNA molecule. That's it. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.